Hello, hi bafethu. Hey laphana kathabethe kusane tension bafethu kuwaya kuyanyiwa kuyaphezulu nyaka. So obviously uBonko demanded and is requesting to be the new CEO of iGenesis Records since uFelicia is failing iGenesis and since uFelicia is cornered laphana iGenesis by her having to run iGenesis. So obviously Felicia thinks this is disrespect, you understand that, because she even questioned Ubonko with him. Does Ubonko think he can fill up Muzi's shoes? Because Muzi, Felicia's late husband, was the one who actually invented the Genesis. So we don't know if Bonko's gonna be the CEO or not. The City Bank family. This song by Mpumi is causing more problems because obviously Mpumi doesn't want to listen to anyone. She wants her song to blow up. Ngapha uMarunaya obviously is giving Mpumi advice. Mpumi is not even listening to those advices. Instead, with Mpumi, those same advices when you made an affair no Bonko laphana iGenesis, because these guys actually slept, you understand. So manje Maruna mshayela ukuthi Mpumi, do not go to iGenesis, do not go to abantu bakaThabethe, because they have been facing problems nakhona they are still mad. Basakwatile labantu laba, so if you're gonna go there, you're gonna bring more problems, you understand. But ke Mpumi wafethu nenkani, she wants her song to actually like blow up. Ngalena ke uwendo yasho ukuthi Mpumi is just gonna be there for business. She's strictly there for business, not for affairs. Because by actually they being sarcastic to Umaruna, telling Umaruna ukuthi, oh yeah, nah, she's there for affairs and she's there to actually spread her legs and sleep with people like Bonko. But Mpumi is that one person who's gonna take the business and elevate it, because she is actually dedicated and committed to music. She wants to make music, strictly music. So Ishmael bafethu babuyile ke banonobuhle banomafitho lapha eDurban. But Bamfundisi isn't happy with that, and they don't wanna actually like talk to Ishmael. I think they're punishing Ishmael because of the inconvenience about going to Durban without their acknowledgement and permission. As you can see lapana Ishmael, I think he was punished to Gutagezi moto, and unfortunately Mfundisi had to leave with the car so uZakaria, they're taking care of him. There's a nurse, personal nurse that's actually taking care of Zakaria. But then Zakaria is flirting with this nurse. Are you married? You understand? No, I understand. But now Zakaria is actually risking, because utshela leli nesi ukuthi he wants to take my assets wakhe whenever he dies, you understand, and he won't get his assets back, you understand, and he won't get anything, or his family won't get anything. So I feel like this nurse is gonna use Zakaria again before Zakaria nga papa naye, you understand. So Mpumi bafethu with the stubbornness went to Ubonko to actually ask Ubonko how's the song doing lapha Genesis, because she has been hearing what the song has been playing lapha Genesis. But manje Ubonko does not even know the song, because he did not take the demo that Mpumi left for him lapha etafuleni. Instead, the person who actually took the demo was Umsizi, not Ubonko, you understand. So Mpumi was warned not to come, you understand that, and speak to Ubonko again and come to the Thabethe family, because she is not welcome lapana. On the other side, the Gabriel wants to take ingoma kaMpumi and give it to uBasitsana to actually re-perform the song. They're gonna re-record the song in order for the song to be Basitsana's first single, you understand. So obviously these people have been working, and unfortunately Basitsana has a single already that was prepared to actually have a drop, an official drop. But turns out to Gabriel has changed things. He wants to change things because he feels like the song Mpumi lapana as a demo can actually be the best song that Ubasitsana can actually sing out or perform out. I understand. Perform out and be like a hit. So Mpumi Bafethu is very disappointed. Wile lapha ekhaya. And told the family who went Benomaruna the bad news about Ubonko is acting like he does not know the song. And Vele Ubonko does not know the song, because he didn't take the demo. And so it's bad, you understand? It's bad, and obviously Uwende is rooting for a blow up Mpumi, but also uyamazi Uwende bafethu ufunela imali nje kuphela. So moving on lapha bafethu ke Makoti nomkhwenyana future, Makoti nomkhwenyana if it happens, because uBonko has been cheating on Olwethu. So obviously ke bafethu uBonko uhleli lapha noOlwethu, they just talking about catching up on everything and what has been happening lapha efamilini kaBonko in Genesis. But bafethu always bafethu, I think uhlakaniphile, because she was the one who was actually dropping bombs, you understand. So manje always wants to know ukuthi uMaruna obelele nobani, because there's news circulating around yabona, and the person who actually slept with uMaruna was uBonko. But uBonko also dated uMaruna back in the days before they even like started being engaged always. So manje always was asking uBonko ukuthi who was Maruna sleeping with, you understand? Was she sleeping with uBonko because they had something, you understand? And always had to ask ukuthi, is there anything uBonko wants to tell her, you understand? Because she has a gut feeling that uBonko is hiding something. uBonko has denied everything. Uphike yonke into bafethu uBonko uthi yena ushade noOwethu, uthanda oWethu. He doesn't know what's happening with his ex, and he doesn't care ukuthi ama-ex alala nobani, surprisingly. So bafethu ke ngale nawo Ishmael ke nomfundisi bayabhekana. Apparently umfundisi is saying ukuthi into enze uIshmael ibe wrong by taking out uNobuhle without yabona anyone's permission to Durban, to another province, of which umfundisi thinks that is kidnapping. It's not kidnapping a person, you understand? It's not even allowed, because obviously Ishmael started off in the sheets with Nobuhle and then later got caught by uFelicia lapha kwaThabet. So manje umfundisi bafethu has official, because Ishmael uyamncenga umfundisi njengamanje lana, but umfundisi bafethu has officially disowned Ishmael. Bamdisownile Ishmael, bamtshela ukuthi in the next morning Ishmael must pack his bags and leave. So bafethu, as ngibade ngishilo ukuthi now it's the time to actually like record that song yabona adlalele yona laphana uBasitsana. But apparently Gabriel Mutena, it's Lion of Judah by Lebo Sekgobela, you understand that, because that's the original track of A Lion of Judah and the person who actually sings that song. But I don't know if it's Mpumi's song that was actually rehearsed or recorded lapana studio. I don't know, but the song was actually recorded lapana by Gabriel by no producer lapana Jakes, I don't know. So yeah, bafethu uBonko, we're still waiting for the announcement that has to be like be done by uFelicia kwi-public ukuthi yena she must step down as the CEO and let uBonko take over as the CEO, you understand. So because Nobuhle is involved in the conversation, you understand, and Nobuhle is not even happy about uBonko having these dreams and visions of him having to be the CEO, because uNobuhle believes uFelicia was the one who actually picked Genesis up, and uBonko can't just come and just take everything yabona ngale ndlela afuna ukuthatha ngazo izinto, you understand, because uFelicia was the one who was actually in charge. She was doing everything accordingly, so she's the one who is actually really qualified to actually hold that position, you understand. She is not happy about it, basically. So hey bafethu, asasazi ukuthi uzogcina play argument ukuthi uBonko afuna uba uCEO, because hey uFelicia, I don't think Felicia is ready to give up that position to uBonko, because uBonko might even play with that position, because uBonko has flopped enough. There are many problems that uBonko has caused upon Genesis. But anyways guys, let me know what you think is going to happen on the next episode of Genesis, Monday to Friday, Mzansi Magic DSTV 7:30 guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.